How to recover TikTok streak. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can recover your TikTok streak. For that, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, the streak grows as you continue to exchange messages. If you message someone more than 3 days in a row, a streak badge is displayed on the chat. However, your streak badges disappear if you both don't interact in the chat within 24 hours. If that is the case and you have lost your TikTok streak, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can recover that. Now, normally you will have a couple of restores on TikTok. So even if you have lost your TikTok streak, there will be a restore button which you can simply tap on. You will get a couple of restore options per month. However, if you have already used all of your recover options, then another thing you can do is change your time zone. For this, you can head over to your settings and then search time zone. Now over here, you can simply turn off the automatic date and time and then set a new date and time. After that, you can simply head back to the TikTok application and send a message. Then your TikTok streak will be recovered. However, this method only works within 24 hours. So make sure that as soon as you lose your streak, you recover it as soon as possible. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.